Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is your host Tanisha with TCooksWithFlave. Today we are in the kitchen and we are making some salmon with lots of love. Stay tuned. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are back in the kitchen and we're making a glazed salmon. So I already have my salmon here. It's already washed with lemon, so we're gonna pat dry. And the reason why we pat dry this is because I'm gonna be frying this first before I glaze it. And you wanna make sure that your salmon is all the way dry because you don't want no oil pop-ups, okay? So we're just gonna go in and make sure that it's completely dry before we add our dry season. So there's a dry rub that I'm gonna put to this. And then later at the end, we make a glaze. This is very good, very easy, very quick recipe that you can serve with some potatoes. Today we're gonna put it with some white rice. We are making dinner for two, so we're gonna start by adding a teaspoon of salt on both sides of your fish, because you want your seasoning, and you're gonna do this with all the seasoning here on both sides. You want it evenly distributed. Going in with a teaspoon of black pepper, again on both sides. Some Maggi fish seasoning here. Comes out a little bit heavy, so I just use my hand to spread it. I'm also doing a teaspoon of this. We're gonna evenly spread it on both sides. I heard my oven go off just now, because afterwards we're going to be placing this bad boy in the oven. And we're going to be using some garlic powder. I'm so excited. My fish is seasoned properly on both sides. So what we're gonna be doing now, we're gonna take it to the stove. We're gonna be frying this down a little bit. I need it a little bit crispy. And then after that, we're gonna lay that glaze, stick it in the oven, and your glazed salmon is pretty much done. I have tons of different recipes for salmon. This one happens to be my favorite, but I'll show you my ways, all right? So let's do this. Adding some olive oil. We're adding in some chopped onions, scallion, pepper, and garlic. Or red bell peppers. I'm gonna saute this a little bit. And then here I'm adding some mango chutney, papaya chutney, jerk sauce, ketchup, fish and meat sauce, and my iron glaze. And then just about a tablespoon of water. glaze sauce is finished. I'm just gonna lay this on top of my fish. I just added a tad bit of water so I get out all of my sauce. Then we're gonna cover this, and we're putting it inside the oven for 10 minutes. Our salmon is ready, guys, and I really enjoyed presenting this one to you. This is a very easy recipe. Just go ahead and grab yourself some salmon, follow my quick recipe, and you will be in love as much as I do. I can't wait to dig into this bad boy. Thank you so much once again for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.